So I noticed today that there is some oil are coming out from this side, and the closing plastic for the engine oil. I'm going to put additional rubber to make sure that the oil will not come out. I will use this to make a round circle, then put it inside, then seal it very well, so I make sure that the oil will not come out. Cut a round circle of rubber to make sure that the closing plastic valve will close very properly using a scissor. Okay, so now I will make it like this, then cut it from here so we can make like a round hole to fit it inside. Okay guys, we have S400 Mercedes S-Class, as you see here. And today we are going to fix the engine leak. As you see here, we have this 400 Mercedes S-Class. Today we are going to fix some engine leaks from the closing plastic of the engine. This one, I noticed today that there is some leaks here are coming out from closing plastic of the valve. So I took some rubber, some tube rubber, and cut it with a scissor. I make like this one, okay, then make it like this, and then cut it from here like this. After cutting from here, it make some hole. Now we are going to adapt it on the valve seal of the engine. Let's see. After adapting it, it will look like this exactly, and I have to cut it around from the scissor. Yeah, so now it's very good, and we have to cut it also to enhancing it, the rubber, then installing it again. Let's see. You have to trim the rubber like this, exactly like this way. I think that's now properly and ready to use. We have trimmed the rubber very much in a very good way. Now we can close it and see. It's closed in the proper way, and this will make sure that there is no oil leaking from it. Next time, check it and see if it's sealed very good. Thank you.